Hello everyone, Penny here, and today I have a huge box of Happy Meal, and I want to thank Jeanne. Thank you so much, dear. This is going for the ministry, and she has sent me some wonderful goodies. I absolutely love everything that she sent, and here is some flowers. Looks like they are different types of papers. Look at these. So I'm definitely going to be using these because, as you know, I've been doing a lot of stackable items. So this will come in handy. Absolutely love these. Thank you so much. Wow, these are really neat. All different types and different sizes. So I'll be definitely working with these. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much. And she sent these beautiful hat pins. Look at these. Aren't they so pretty? I'm going to, I love these. Oh gosh. Aren't these gorgeous? These are so pretty. And I never even thought about putting that there, for the pen. Oh my gosh, I love these. They're just so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely love these. I remember my grandmother had a lot of these, so these are going to be so pretty in journals, and you could use them for so many different things. Oh gosh, they're just so pretty. And these beautiful flowers, look at these flowers that she has sent. And these will look amazing. Oh, that could be, it's a hair thing, but it could be also a scarf pin, or it could be a tie around a journal. It could, oh my gosh, there's just so many different things you can do with these. And here, look at these, the burlap flower. Aren't these pretty? Oh, and there's the rosettes. Those would look so beautiful. Look at that. They look pretty. Already getting some ideas. But look at this color. I want to thank her so much for sending all these lovely goodies my way for the ministry, so that we can embellish the journals or the prayer pockets. There's 2 more of those. I hope you can see. I'm trying to get everything the best I can. And the cereal box will come in handy too, my dear. Thank you so much. Feathers. Oh, look at all these beads. Look at all this. Seeds and beads and buttons and a golden flat back. Oh, that's so good. Oh, look at the cameos. Look at all this loveliness. Thank you so much. She has sent so much. Oh, those are neat. I didn't want to take everything out because I wanted to show you guys. Because I knew I wouldn't be able to put things back. Got some stickers. Oh, alright. Look at all these stickers. And bookmarks. Oh, these will come in handy. They love these. So they can actually do some coloring in the prayer pockets. Oh, thank you. Those will come in handy. Stickers we can always use because the older ladies, you know, love stickers. They can just peel and stick. And look at these gorgeousness. Look at all those. Oh, wow. They're so fragile. I'm afraid I'm going to break them. Afraid I'm going to break them. Oh, there's a butterfly. Yeah, I'm trying not to. Okay, look at that. So pretty. I love that stuff. Those are very pretty. Oh, and those are some more of those beautiful die cuts. Oh, and there's some more. Look at those. Beautiful. Look at these. I don't have, I have the Brother Scan and Cut, but I don't have, you know, like the dies type thing, you know. I don't have those. There's some more of those. Oh, I see. Spotted Canary. Okay. Oh, I like that one. Oh, look at this one. This one's pretty. This is Love. Some more. Oh, those are nice. And some feathers. Oh, wow. Beautiful feathers. Yes, the feathers, we can do some boho dangles, and you can cut them and put them behind things to look like angel wings and things like that. Oh, and she sent 2 of these. Beautiful. You can make a journal out of these. I love those. But bright blue. I haven't seen bright blue. So that, oh, here is some more rickrack, some trimming. She sent a music book, and she sent all kinds of, oh, look at that. Oh, I love that. All kinds of prints, pages inside. Oh, those are beautiful. Look at all those prints. Thank you. Music. Yes, I love music sheets. I use a lot of music sheets. Some trim. The washi girl. Yay. I have washi. I'm totally out of washi, so that helps me. Here is some green, my favorite colors. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And some of those pop-up stickers. Oh, look at the little bunny. Those are so cute. Too cute. Beautiful book pages. Look at those. Oh, wow. Those are so pretty. So pretty. Thank you. There's bunches of those. Thank you so much. Those will work. Wonderful. Oh, and oh, look at these. Puzzles that you can do artwork on. Oh, that would be wonderful. Look at that. With the envelopes. Oh, yes. Thank you, dear. Thank you, thank you. And isn't this pretty? Oh, there's a bead. Isn't this pretty? I love this. And it is a box. It comes out like so. And I am going to be using this. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I do. I have a plan for this, actually. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Super pretty. I have a plan for that. Yes, I do. And she packaged it so well. This is amazing how she packaged all this to keep it from sliding. Here's some more. It looks like it's on some special canvas paper. Yes, those will be wonderful in the her pockets. Because like I said, people absolutely love to color. Those that can. Oh, and she sent some scrapbook paper. Oh gosh, look at all this pretty paper. You know, and it gives me ideas too. Look at all this pretty paper that I can... Oh, that's pretty. Look at all this. I can definitely use this. Oh, I really like that one too. That's so cute. Look at those. So cute. Oh, that's sweet. Oh, that one's nice. I love chalkboard paper. I love the look of chalkboard paper. I'm just flipping through, so if I miss them, I apologize. Look at that one. I love maps too. Maps is something that is hard for me to get a hold of. You know, the true maps. Oh, that one's neat. Look at all this. Oh, the birdies are pretty. Little parrots. Oh, owls. I love owls. Oh, that's pretty. I keep saying that. Oh, wow. Look what she sent. Oh, you know, I love scrapbook pages that have these in there. Oh, thank you. You know what you can go do with these, guys? These would make beautiful windows, like for your, the envelopes that have the windows. These look beautiful in front of them, but you can use these as stencils too. You can cover them with gesso or acrylic white paint. Cover them with Mod Podge or something before you begin to start working with them, and you can use these as stencils. So check out the scrapbook paper that have these in them, because you can definitely use them as a stencil. These are pretty. It's got tags and stuff with these. Now this is a nice idea. I haven't seen. Oh, and it flips out. That's a nice idea. Really it is. Look at that. It's the same way. I'm sorry if you can see the tags and stuff. Oh my gosh, look at this paper. This looks so vintagey. Let's see who it's made by. It's Mama's Dress by Jeanne. Oh my gosh, isn't that gorgeous? And yes, they have copyrights. Scrapbook paper is copyrighted. You have to check out the terms. But that's beautiful. That is me right there. I love that. Okay, so I want to thank her so much for sending me all these lovely goodies and things that I can use for the ministry, because eventually when everything opens back up, I want to be ready to hand out, to deliver, and we're trying to do some by mail, those that will accept mail, because some people aren't accepting mail right now either. So I am doing my best to gather things up. Right now I'm making masks. That's part of, the crochet ministry that I have for the church, for the community. So we have a Facebook page. If you're interested, let me know. I can post it down below for those who are interested. And if you live in my area, then you're most welcome to help us. I'll send you all the patterns and things that you need to get started. But anyway, thank you so much, Jeanne. Thank you so much. This will definitely, and I'll never get it back in there, girl, the way you had that. She's an amazing packer. Thank you so much, dear. This is such a blessing, and there we go. This I don't have an idea. And washi, gosh, you have no idea. I stay out of washi all the time, because I only buy like a row or two until I use it up, and then I'll buy more. But I don't store washi at all. I just don't have the space or the room. And if I know children, I won't have washi at all, so I kind of have to have it hidden. Those with children know what I'm talking about. And like I said, I'll never get all this back in there. But I want to thank you so much, dear. You have made my day and week a little bit better. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, you all, and I'll see you for a little bit later for the 80 Days Junk Journal Stuffies Challenge. I hope you guys can come and join us in that. You will learn about how to create short projects. Look there, we all know we can use that, right? Oh yes, cereal boxes that come in handy.